My name is Graeme Bergman. I'm a desktop support technician at Access Credit Union. At MITT, I took the Network and Computer Technology program. The feeling of walking through the campus was more of a welcoming experience than I'd experienced elsewhere. I didn't feel so cold, and everybody was willing to explain what they were doing and what was going on within the school. Why did you guys let me take a picture with a hat on? It's my student ID from my first day at MITT. The first day will have been nerves, excitement, but knowing that this is the place where I believe it would be the best place for me to start. The skills that I picked up at MITT that apply to my everyday job would be some of the soft skills for working with other people, the process of troubleshooting, as well as an understanding of the technologies that are in place. The hands-on aspect of it was also a huge draw. I can often show somebody how to do something and explain it as I'm doing it better than I can just write it out for someone. The program that I was in MITT was 8 months of in-class work, followed by a 2-month work practicum. After my work practicum had concluded, I was hired there full-time and worked there for nearly 3 years. The things I enjoy about working where I work now at Access Credit Union is helping the people solve issues. The people that I work with are great, knowing that every day is going to be a little bit different. And even if you have the same issue multiple times in a row, it could be something different that caused it. Keeps it fresh and lively. Now, after graduating, moving through my career with more purpose, knowing what I want to do, where I want to end up, and knowing that there's a place where I'm currently employed that can allow me to land there.